What is up, you guys? Welcome back. My name is Liz. If you guys have never been here before, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I put out a lot of girl talk videos. Last time we covered vaginal health and vaginal hygiene, so if you missed that video, I'll have it linked in the description box. But today we are talking all about odor, body odor, mouth odor, armpit, feet, and body odor. And I'm not talking about like you haven't showered for 3 days type of odor. That could be solved by a bar of soap. I'm talking about like odor throughout the day. Like you showered in the morning and you feel a little stank throughout the day. These are just some things you guys can start adding into your hygiene routine to make you a little fresher throughout the day. So I'm not going to be going in depth about like cleaning the body, you know, clean head to toe. Make sure you're covering that first, but these are things you can do on top of it to stay fresh and on point all day. So I hope you guys enjoy. You guys, this product lineup is very small, but I have a few concoctions and things that I use these products for differently that will definitely keep you feeling fresh all day. So let's get into it. So first things first, I'm gonna talk about mouth hygiene. There are a few different things I like to do to keep my breath feeling fresh all day. I can't stand the feeling of plaque in my teeth. So my first concoction is mixing a little bit of coconut oil with some baking soda. So I'll dip my toothbrush in coconut oil, then I'll dip it in some baking soda. I keep this just right in my bathroom, and then I'll put my toothpaste on as regular and I'll brush my teeth. I have been doing this for 3 years and I have not had cavities within those 3 years. And if you are a full-grown adult having to pay your own bills, you know cavities can be expensive. I think right out of college I hadn't gone to the dentist in like 2 years and I had like 5 cavities, and that bill was not fun to pay. So I started doing this, and I even cleared it with my dentist because she was like, you know, you haven't had cavities in a long time. And I asked her, I was like, well, I've been doing this, you know, the coconut oil, the baking soda, and the toothpaste, and I asked her if it's okay, and she said it was okay. Personally, I feel like coconut oil helps so much with plaque and any gunk in your teeth. I feel like it makes my teeth feel so ultra clean, like there is no plaque on my teeth, and I hate that feeling of like dirty teeth. So try this combination out, you guys. I don't think you will regret it. Please try it out and let me know how your teeth feel afterwards, because I swear by it. I think it has totally transformed my mouth health. But another thing I want to put you guys on to is if you have bad breath in the morning and you know you have a partner, whatever, you know, you want to kiss them in the morning, apple cider vinegar, take a shot of this the night before and your bad breath will not be a thing the next morning. I don't know why. I read this somewhere and I tried it out and it works, you guys. You don't have stank breath in the morning. I don't know if it's just your stomach. I don't know what it is, but your breath is not as stinky in the morning. Apple cider vinegar cures so many things, and we'll talk about apple cider vinegar a little bit more later in this video, but it really helps with bad breath. So I just wanted to put you guys onto that. You know, if you're having a little sleepover, take a shot of apple cider vinegar the night before. Make sure you're diluting your apple cider vinegar. You should not be taking like just an actual shot of pure apple cider vinegar because that's super acidic on your esophagus. It's too harsh on your teeth enamel. Make sure you are diluting your apple cider vinegar. Okay, so now that we've talked about oral hygiene, let's talk about body odor. Now I'm gonna talk about everything from the neck down. So the first thing I want to talk about is armpits. You know, you have a major area of sweat glands right there. It's a huge sweating area. So armpits can get a little stanky. Obviously most people use deodorant on a daily basis, but depending on what type of deodorant you use, sometimes you can have a buildup of like deodorant in your armpit. Like, you know, you put it on and then 2 hours later you're not feeling fresh. I suffered with that for a long time. I was like, I'm putting on this really strong deodorant, but then 2 hours later, it's smelling like a little funky. It smells like deodorant, but a little funky. And that's because I had a buildup of old deodorant in my armpits. It's something you can't necessarily even get out with soap. You know, you can scrub underneath your armpits all you want, but there is still gonna be a little buildup of that deodorant underneath your armpits. So what I started doing is on a weekly basis, I would make a little paste with coconut oil and baking soda. So I would take a dollop of coconut oil and then some baking soda to make a paste, and I would put it underneath my armpits and I would go to sleep. And then the next morning, fresh as hell. My armpits would be smelling so nice and fresh. I think people also do this to detox their armpits when they're transitioning to natural deodorant. I like to just do it like once a week just to keep everything feeling fresh. Baking soda is a great way to get rid of any sort of scents. You know, a lot of people keep baking soda in their fridge. Food goes bad in your fridge, it doesn't stink up your whole house. Same with your body. You can use it on your body to alleviate from scents. And I don't know if I mentioned before, but coconut oil is antibacterial. So anywhere that you have a buildup of bacteria on your body, you can put this and it's going to help keep the smell away, the bacteria at bay. So high sweat areas like your armpits, in between your thighs, under your boobs, put a little bit of coconut oil and it's going to help with smells. Because, you know, sweating is normal. Sweating is just something you can't control, but it's when the sweat mixes with the bacteria on the body is when it creates an odor. So putting an antibacterial like coconut oil is going to help keep the smells away. So yeah, I love this concoction. I do it once a week or whenever I feel the need to, and it really helps break down that buildup of nasty deodorant, old deodorant in the underarm. So yeah, that's just one thing I like to do. So I already mentioned it before, but I love putting coconut oil on my body because it is an antibacterial. It keeps your skin nice and soft, no cracked skin. So putting a little bit of coconut oil all over the body is gonna help you smell fresh all day. And if you put some sort of oil on your body and then spray your perfume, that perfume is sticking to your body so nicely. So I like to just put coconut oil from neck down. I like to put it in my inner thighs to keep everything fresh right there. Coconut oil is safe for around the vaginal area. It can be used as a natural lubricant, but we're not getting into vaginal health today. But it is safe for around that region. So I like to put it on my inner thighs. I like to put it underneath my armpits when I'm straight out of the shower before I even apply my deodorant. I like to just put it on pretty much every inch of my body. Even if I'm gonna go in with the lotion afterwards, I still like to put a little bit of coconut oil right out of the bath. So you could even keep a jar right in your shower, and you know, before you even wipe off, you could just put a little bit of coconut oil on your body. So I love using coconut oil. It's no secret, again, these are just things that work for me. Okay, so the next thing you guys can do to combat body odor is taking a supplement. I have been seeing chlorophyll go viral on TikTok. Everyone is doing these chlorophyll challenges. But chlorophyll is really good for the body. It is a super green. And another thing that I have been doing for a long time, it's not necessarily chlorophyll, but it has chlorophyll in it, is chlorella. So chlorella is a green single-celled microalgae that has naturally occurring chlorophyll in it. So I picked these up originally because my friend said that they really help with hangovers. You pop 3 of these pills after a night of drinking. In the morning, you feel much better. It's helping absorb water into the cells a lot better. Overall, it has just a lot of vitamins and protein in it. So I originally bought this for my hangovers, but as I started researching it more and more people said that this really helps with body odor. So you guys can definitely research it on your own, but I have heard countless people say that chlorophyll and chlorella help with body odor. You don't have such a funky smell throughout the day. It keeps you nice and fresh, which I definitely agree to. When I take this consistently, I definitely notice that my body odor is not really there. I don't smell myself at all throughout the day, and this is something that I will definitely be taking this summer. You know, when you're out in the heat, you definitely tend to sweat more and smell a little, like I have to shower twice a day in the summer, whereas in the winter, once a day. This definitely helps with that a lot. So I would do some research if you're looking for a supplement to help with body odor. This will definitely do it. So yeah, this would be a great supplement if you don't see yourself getting all your greens in on a daily basis, but don't get it twisted. You can definitely eat your greens, and all that fiber and everything like that is just as good for you as a supplement. Overall, the more greens you eat, the more detoxed your body will be, and the more gunk that is being removed from your body. You know, if you have a buildup of junk in your body, that's definitely gonna come out through your pores, especially if it's not coming out through number 2, it's gonna come out through your pores. So making sure that your body is detoxing naturally is super important, and that's why I like to do the apple cider vinegar shots. Apple cider vinegar is a natural detox. It might be TMI, but when I take 2 shots of apple cider vinegar a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, my number 2s are so regular. So yeah, overall, I really love taking apple cider vinegar on a daily basis. You know, it's hard to get used to. You can definitely do the supplements. I haven't tried the supplements, I just take the shots of it. Which I might try the supplements because I have a hard time taking this twice a day. It's nasty, it's no fun to take, but it does make you feel really, really good after you're taking it for a while. Your stomach is on flat, coochie wet. Let's just go there for a second. Your vagina is great. I don't know what happens. I think your pH balance levels out, and coochie is great. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to cover also has to do with body odor, but it is laundry related, because sometimes it's hard to get odor out of laundry, whether you have a shitty washing machine or just some stubborn odor on your clothes, whether it's from going to the gym or working a hard job. Like when I worked in the restaurant industry, I worked at a Mexican restaurant, you could never get the smell of Mexican food off of your clothes. It's really hard. So let me put you guys on household vinegar. Just a little bit of household vinegar in with your laundry is going to remove those tough, stubborn odors. You guys, since college, I've lived in rentals and they don't give a shit about their washing machines. So to combat a shitty washing machine, I throw a little bit of household vinegar in with my laundry. I know that this can be kind of rough on fabric if you use it too often. I don't really give a shit about all that because most of my clothes are already pretty cheap. They're not meant to last years and years. So I don't really care about it. I like using vinegar in with all of my laundry. I just throw like a little, like that, just go like that. Just throw a tiny bit of vinegar in with your laundry. It can be on hot or cold. It works better on hot, obviously, since you're killing more bacteria, but vinegar is an antibacteria. So if you have like gym clothes where you can't seem to get the deodorant stank out or the sweat stank, try a little bit of vinegar in with your laundry and it's gonna make your clothes smell so fresh. Like your clothes will actually smell like the laundry detergent that you're using. Before, sometimes I would wash my clothes twice just to really get them clean. Vinegar does that for me, and vinegar is so cheap. You can get this for like $1, $2 at Aldi's or Walmart, wherever you want to go. I keep vinegar on deck at my house for cleaning because I have a garbage disposal. I keep it for my laundry. Just any household cleaning, vinegar is good to have, but especially for laundry. I use it on all of my laundry. I don't care if it's delicate. I don't really care what type of laundry it is, but like especially gym clothes, you know, bras too. You know, you get the deodorant buildup on a bra. Use vinegar, soak it in some vinegar, and it is going to be fresh as new. So I had to put you guys onto that because a lot of people don't know to use vinegar on their laundry, and it has totally transformed my laundry. Like no more buildup of stank. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover. These are things that really help keep my body odor at bay. I'm smelling fresh all day, but obviously making sure you are showering once to twice a day to keep yourself fresh and on point is the best thing you can do. These are just things on top of it that you guys can do if showering is just not enough. So I hope this video helped you guys out. please be sure to leave your tips and recommendations in the comments below for more people to see. I don't know everything. I'm just sharing what works for me. So please leave your recommendations in the comments as well. Let me know what our next topic for girl chat should be, and I'll be sure to write it down and cover it very soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
There goes a sight from my soul.